Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up AppCleaner on macOS to uninstall your apps the right way. This tool doesn't just delete the app, it wipes out all those hidden cache and config files that usually get left behind when you do it manually. First, open your browser and head over to freemacossoft.net. I'll drop the link in the description so you can get there fast. Scroll down a bit and you'll see versions for different macOS releases. The latest is 3.6.8, which fully supports macOS Tahoe, the newest OS out right now. Since I'm running Tahoe, I'll grab that one. Just close any ads that pop up, and if you're using Safari, hit Allow to start the download. Once it's downloaded, you'll get the AppCleaner file. Technically, you don't even need to install it. You can just double-click and go. But, to keep things organized, I'm going to copy AppCleaner and paste it into my Applications folder, just like any other app. Now, let's open it up. Before we start cleaning, we need to tweak a few settings. Go to the AppCleaner menu in the menu bar and select Settings. Switch over to the Smart Delete tab. If it's off, toggle that switch to on. It detects whenever you throw an app into the trash normally and automatically finds all the related junk for you. Next, we need to grant some permissions so AppCleaner can do its job without errors. Open System Settings, scroll down, and click Privacy and Security. There are two spots to check. First, go to Accessibility. If you don't see AppCleaner in the list, click the plus icon, enter your password, find AppCleaner, and toggle it on. Now, head back to Privacy and Security and go to Full Disk Access. Make sure the switch for AppCleaner is on here too. Click Quit and reopen. Alright, let's see it in action. I'm going to uninstall Canva. Make sure the app is closed first. Now, just delete it the old-fashioned way. Right-click and move to Trash. Enter your password and hit OK. AppCleaner instantly pops up with a list of all the leftovers. Just select what you want to delete and hit Remove. If a few files in the system library stay locked, don't worry about it. You can just skip those. And that's how you keep your Mac clean and optimized with AppCleaner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.